How to assign an audio file to a soundpad. You'll need to use a computer, tablet or smartphone to store any soundpad sounds you want on the SD card. You'll also need to save them to any directory other than P4 MultiTrack and P4 settings folders. The P4 supports WAV file formats, 44.1 kHz sample rate and 16-bit bitrate. Press the menu button located here and then use the up and down buttons to select soundpad and press enter. You can then use up and down to select the desired soundpad, or you can press the soundpad itself and then press enter. Use the up and down buttons to select sound assign, so we're going to go ahead and press enter again. And from there you can use the up and down buttons to select the file you wish to assign and press enter on it. So we'll stick with applause, press enter again. And this will assign the sound to the soundpad you originally selected. So it's pad C. When you're finished, press the menu button to go back. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.